Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial in NX. In this tutorial, we are going to model this machine component using NX. While modeling any component in NX, first do the add material feature, then go for the remove material feature. The same component I have created in NX, by using these steps, we will recreate this component using NX. To do that, first go to the file, new, choose model. Our units on millimeter, choose millimeter, specify the file name, specify the location, say OK and OK it. Now our model is this one. We will be using this isometric model to create the component. The dimensions are given here, every dimension are in mm. First I am going to start with this base plate. For that go to the sketch. I am just taking the front plane, say OK. Take the circle. Just create a circle, press the roller to confirm. Now the diameter of the circle is, here they have given the radius is 138. Here they have given. So the diameter will be 138 plus 138, press enter it. Say yes, press the roller to confirm. Then take a line, just create one vertical line, press the roller to confirm. This line length is 200, here they have given 200. Make this line as a symmetric line. This point and this line. This one is the symmetric. Just go here. Select this point. Select this one. Select this line. Say OK. Then the distance from here to here, which is they have given total distance of 350. Before that, you do the symmetric value. Select this one, go for the mirror, select the center line as this one, say OK. Now the distance between this one and this one is 350. Say enter it, press the roller to confirm. Now take a line from here to here, tangent line, press the roller to confirm. Similarly from here to here, tangent line, press the roller to confirm. Same way just do it here also. You can make a mirror also, no issues. I'm just creating, press the roller to confirm, again press the roller to confirm. Now use the trim tool to remove the unwanted edges. These two are unwanted edges. Press the roller to confirm. Now sketch is finished, go for finish sketch. Extrude. Make it symmetric value. Total extrusion length is 60 mm. 60. Here you can see. Say OK. Just hide the sketch. Now we will create the cylinder. For that, go to the sketch again. Select the surface, say OK, take a circle, just create a circle. The diameter of the circle is, here they mentioned it, 238. Say yes, press the roller to confirm, then finish the sketch, extrude. The total extrusion length is 62. Say OK. Now we have done two material addition features, then we will go for the material first cut, this cut. For that, go to the sketch, select this top plane, say OK. Now take a line, just project, first you do the project line, just go to menu, insert, associate curve, project curve, project these curves. Just OK it. Then take a line. From here to here, just create an inclined line. From here to here, the angle is, from here to this line, the angle is 60. Press the roller to confirm. Then just mirror this line. Go for here. Use this one to mirror it. The center distance between these top 2 points is 200. This distance is 200. Press the roller to confirm. Then take a line. Just close outside lines. Here. Press the roller to confirm. Just delete this line. Delete this two. Take this line. From here, just take it here. Close the sketch, press the roller to confirm. The same way you just do it here also. Take a line here, somewhere here. Close this one, press the roller to confirm, again press the roller to confirm. This dimension we can specify some 100. Same way here also we can specify some 100. Now the sketch is finished, then go for finish sketch, extrude, make it symmetric value, enlarge this value, save OK. Just hide the sketch. Now we have created this cut, then we'll create this hole. For that, take the standard hole, move your cursor to the edge of the circle. The hole diameter is 162 and the total length of extrusion is 62. Here we specify the value. Hole depth is 62. Say OK. It's coming as a standard standard hole. Custom. Yes, flat hole. It's a 0 degree hole. We just want to create it. Now we have created this hole. Then we'll create this two M12 threaded hole. For that, just we need to move our datum plane. Go to the datum plane. Select this plane. It has to move to this point. The diameter is 238. So 238 divided by 2. Make this plane little bigger. Say OK. Now just go here. Not the right one. Go for the front one. Here you can see the plane is created at this point. Now we will create one point in this location. For that, go to the sketch. Select the newly created plane. Say OK. Take this point, one datum point. Just locate this datum point from here to here. This thickness is 62. Then this distance is 31 plus 30. 31 plus 30. Press enter it. Say yes. Now just go for the finish sketch. Just hide this datum plane. Then go for the standard hole. Select this point. Select the sketch also. It will come automatically. Now the diameter of the hole is 20. Normal to the face. Until next. Subtract, save OK. Now we have created this hole. Now we will create a thread to this. For that, go to the menu, insert. Here there is an option called design feature, thread. Select the surface. M22 automatically it is taken the standard thread. Save OK. The same thread and hole has to be patterned by using a circular pattern. Select these two features. Then go for the pattern features. Here you choose circular feature. Select this vector as this y-axis. Here you choose count span 90 degree with 2. Save OK. Now the same feature is mirrored in this location also. Now just right click here, orient view, go to the isometric view. Now we have finished this model. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share to your friends. For next tutorial, we'll come up with a new component. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.